The hostel is situated near the university campus itself. It is a 9-storied building with a special facility of elevators and emergency exits. Before the entry and exit from the hostel, students have to register themselves by swiping the unique magnetic card provided individually. The hostel warden is available 24/7 to keep view on all the students. Separate floors are allotted for boys and girls with 3 sections. In each section, there are 2 3-seater rooms and 2 2-seater rooms. Each section is attached with modernized toilet, bathroom and the basin area. Each floor is allotted with individual maid who takes care of the maintenance and the cleanliness of the floor. The rooms of hostel are fully equipped. In each room, the students are being provided with personal beds, bedside table, study table and cupboards. Each cupboard has a special lock system for the security reasons. Each room has centralized heaters to maintain the room temperature. On each floor, there is one common kitchen with 8 gas stoves. The kitchen facilities include individual room-wise cupboards to keep their cooking utensils and food items, basins to wash the utensils, and a centralized dustbin to dispose of all the waste products. Beginning from the ground floor, taking care of health and fitness, hostel is provided with gym facilities with all the modern equipments like dumbbells, punching bag, treadmill, leg press machine, squat machine, etc. The gym is both for boys and girls separately.